Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you the outside of a car. In this video, I'll be going over all of the things that you should find on the outside of a car. I'll be doing it with this Honda CR-V. However, most cars are going to have the same parts and the same functions towards the outside of them, so it should be you should be able to take this information and apply it to most cars. Let's get right into it. We're going to start at the front, we're going to work our way around the side and to the back, and pretty much the things on this side, the driver's side of the car, are going to be the same as the things on the passenger side. So with that being said, I'm just going to go around this way. We're not going to bother with the driver's side. All right, let's start. We're going to walk up to the front. Now, as soon as you see this right here is the hood. Underneath the hood is actually the engine. Okay, so you have the engine beneath the hood. You can pop the hood and get to the engine. In most cases, the engine will be at the front of the car underneath the hood. However, if the engine is in the back, this is likely going to be a storage compartment. All right, and if it's an electric car and there is no engine, then the front and the back will be storage compartments. This over here is the grille over here, and then we have the front bumper, which goes all down and around here. Now, on either side, you're going to see some lighting. Now, inside of those lights, you're going to likely see a few things. You're going to see headlights, you're going to see high beams, and you're going to see daytime running lights. Now, I'm pretty sure that I know which is which on this car right over here. So I know that the daytime running lights are actually LEDs that run along here, so they're not actually bulbs. And then one of these is going to be the high beam, and one of these is going to be the headlight. I believe that this one is the high beam just based on the way that it looks. And then this is going to be the headlight. I'm like 99% sure. This is going to be the high beam, and this is going to be the headlight. And like I said, the automatic daytime running lights are just these LEDs. If you go towards the bottom of the bumper, your car may be equipped with fog lights. These are just little low brightness bulbs that are great for enhancing the look of the car and also driving in the fog. If you look behind your front bumper, let's see if I can get low enough here, behind your front bumper, and you see all of those little fins, those are part of the radiator. So that is part of the cooling system. It helps keep your engine nice and cool. So moving back, we've basically covered the whole front end of the car. I can go over separately in a separate video. I want to do all of the engine components. So if you want that video, comment down below. Tell me you want to see all of the components of the engine in a separate video. Also, sorry about that, we have the front windshield over here, and we have the windshield wipers, as you can see right over there. Moving towards the side of the car, right here over the front wheel, you have the fender. So the fender is the part that goes over the front wheel. In most cars, it's going to be removable. It's going to be its own separate piece. That's why if there's damage to the fender, you can usually just replace it instead of repairing it. Okay. Now down below, we have the components of the wheel. So right here we have the wheel, otherwise known as the rim. We have some bolts that hold it in place, and we have a tire which goes around the wheel. And as you can see, there's air in the tire. On a random side note, for braking, you're going to have a caliper, you're going to have a pad within the caliper, and then you're also likely going to see disc brakes or drum brakes, but what we have right here are disc brakes at the front. Moving towards the side, we have the side mirror, we have the side windows, we have the front door and the rear door on the passenger side. And on this car, we actually have these signal markers. So right over here, when I'm signaling right, this is actually illuminating along with the turn signals at the front. And sorry about that, the turn signals are also at the front as well. You're going to find them on the car. They're usually going to be like this sort of amber kind of color. Okay, and on the mirror we also have, and by the way, here I am, you can probably see me in there. On the mirror we also have a camera. So this is actually a blind spot camera. It's just something small, and on a lot of modern cars you're going to have this option, so you might end up seeing it. We have the door handle over here. On this car you can actually unlock it like that and lock it like that. And that means that, as you can see right over here, there's no keyhole on the passenger side door handle. The rear door handle actually doesn't have any features on it. You just open it and close it. Now, above the rear tire, you're not going to get a rear fender, as some people believe. It's actually going to be the rear quarter panel, and that means that this is part. It's one piece. Like it goes, as you can see, it goes all the way up. It's one piece, so that means that you're not going to be able to replace this. You're going to have to repair it. It's not a piece that you can just order and just replace that part. You're going to have to cut it out and put bodywork on it and so forth, right? Moving towards the back over here, we have actually the taillights. So as you can see on the taillights, you're going to have different sections, and on this car they've done a great job at blending them in together. But you're basically going to have a reverse light, you're going to have a signal light on the rear, and then you're also going to have brake lights. So on this car, and don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure that this is the actual reverse light right over here. The signal light is just all up in here. And then, as you can see right over here, there's a little bit of a light bar. You can see that light bar in there. And then also the brake lights are going to be all part of this. Now, on most cars, there will be part of the brake light that stays on when your headlights are on at night. And then when you press the brake, a different part will illuminate more brightly. Okay, so it all depends on the car. Down here we have just some basic reflectors. If you see a metal pipe sticking out or multiple sticking out of the rear of the car, those are your exhaust pipes. And that's just the tip of the exhaust, because the exhaust runs all the way underneath. If you take a look over here, you can see all of the piping just runs all the way underneath over there. And towards the back of your car, you're also likely going to find a gas tank underneath the car. We have a rear windshield wiper right over here. You have some badging, you know, turbo, all-wheel drive, CRV. Obviously, you have your license plates. And then at the top over here, we actually have just an antenna. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over the basics of the outside of a car. I've basically shown you the entire outside of the car and gone over all of the components of it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.